What's up, y'all? It's Mr. J back with another video. In today's video, I'll be installing my Xkglow underglow and interior lights along with the wheel well. And I'll just be bringing y'all along, showing y'all clips of how they go. In the process, I'll show you also some of the clips that I shot last night when I set everything out just to see how it would look. So let's go ahead and get into that real quick. Okay, in that video clip, you can see basically where you want to place your underglows and how it's going to look once you put them in place. And I also showed you some of the lights that I already have installed on my Subaru. So now, first thing you want to do is take the battery out or just disconnect it, which I've already done to mine. And I would suggest basically taping the piece down where you're going to be mounting it and making a mark so you can see where to put the hardware, which I've already done one part. But I would suggest not actually mounting it completely just yet until you have the next section put in place for you to mount it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, then I'll show you what I mean. Alright, y'all. I've actually put the first one in place in the front, up under the front bumper. Let you get a glimpse of that. It is fully attached. And I ran the wire for the second one, which is my wheel well, which is going to be kind of difficult to see where to exactly place it. You see, they all looking pretty good so far. And I'll get back to you as I get further along. All right.